In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add digital signature to all outgoing messages in Outlook. A digital signature is different from a typed email footer. It uses a security certificate to prove the message really came from you and that it hasn't been altered. It helps build trust with recipients and meets many organizational security requirements. This walkthrough is for the Outlook desktop app on Windows. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mailbox so the menus are fully available. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can adjust settings that affect how Outlook behaves, rather than just the contents of a single message. In the left panel, click Options. A new Outlook Options window will appear. On the left side of that window, select Trust Center. The Trust Center is where Outlook groups security and privacy controls, including settings for encryption and digital signing. Now click the Trust Center settings button on the right. This opens a smaller window with several categories. Choose email security from the list. You're in the right place when you see sections for encrypted email and digital signatures. Under the encrypted email section, check the box labeled Add Digital Signature to Outgoing Messages. This tells Outlook to automatically sign every message you send, so you don't have to remember to enable it each time. If you already have a valid personal certificate installed, Outlook will use it to create the signature. If you don't have one yet, Outlook may prompt you to choose or obtain a certificate later. Many organizations provide these through their IT department or a trusted certificate authority. After selecting the checkbox, click OK to close the Trust Center window, and then click OK again to close the Outlook Options window. That saves your changes and applies them immediately. From now on, when you compose a new email, Outlook will attach a digital signature in the background. Recipients using compatible email clients will see that the message is from a verified sender, and they can confirm it hasn't been modified in transit. Keep in mind that signing is not the same as encrypting. A digital signature verifies identity and integrity, but it doesn't hide the content of your message. If your workflow also requires encryption, that's a separate setting your organization may guide you through. That's it, your Outlook is now set to digitally sign all outgoing emails automatically, helping you communicate more securely and professionally.